Best exterior LED light bars for off-road ensure powerful visibility, enhanced safety, durability, and reliable performance in extreme terrains and weather conditions. My today's video is about top 5 best exterior LED light bars for off-road that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Nightlight ZH4 1032-inch 180W curved LED light bar. The 180W LED light bar delivers exceptional illumination for serious off-road enthusiasts and professionals. Featuring a smart combination of spot and flood beams, it provides long-distance visibility while maintaining a wide, bright coverage area. Whether you're navigating dark trails or working in low-light environments, the balanced beam pattern ensures maximum clarity and safety. Built with an IP67 waterproof rating, this light bar withstands harsh weather conditions, including heavy rain, mud, and dust. Its durable die-cast aluminum alloy housing and advanced heat sink design promote efficient heat dissipation, extending the lifespan beyond 30,000 hours for reliable long-term performance. Installation is straightforward thanks to the sturdy side mounting brackets and included 12 feet 16 AWG wiring harness kit, making it convenient for various setups. Compatible with Jeeps, trucks, SUVs, ATVs, boats, and more, this versatile light bar is ideal for off-road adventures, construction sites, garden lighting, and backup illumination. It's a powerful, dependable lighting solution built for demanding environments. Now our second product is Nightlight 70015C, a LED light bar. This 120W LED light bar delivers brightness that truly exceeds expectations. Equipped with high-quality LED chips, it produces an intense, super bright beam that confidently lights up dark roads, trails, and job sites. Whether you're driving off-road at night or need extra visibility in low-light conditions, it ensures clear and consistent illumination. The thoughtfully engineered combo beam combines a focus spot beam for long-distance projection with a flood beam for wide-area coverage. This balance provides both depth and breadth of visibility, improving reaction time and overall safety. Its curved design is not just stylish. It enhances side illumination, reducing blind spots and helping minimize road hazards. Built with durable die-cast aluminum alloy cooling fins, the light bar offers efficient heat dissipation, extending its lifespan beyond 30,000 hours. The package includes one 120W LED light bar and sturdy mounting brackets for secure installation. It's a reliable, high-performance lighting upgrade for off-road vehicles, trucks, and SUVs. Our third product is Naivo 7-inch LED light bar. The Naivo 7-inch spot flood combo light bar is built for drivers who demand serious nighttime performance. Its 30 degrees spotlight reflector delivers focused, long-range illumination, while the 120 degrees flood beam spreads bright light across a wide field of view. This dual beam combination creates a stronger and more practical lighting effect than single-function bars, making it ideal for off-road adventures. With an impressive 720W output, 72,000 lumens, and crisp 6,500K white light, it dramatically improves road clarity. The 97% light transmittance ensures minimal loss, while the 45 degrees adjustable bracket allows precise beam positioning for safer, faster night driving. Durability is equally impressive. The die-cast aluminum housing, IP68 waterproof rating, and tough PC lens protect against rain, snow, and sandstorms. 10 integrated cooling fans enhance heat dissipation, extending lifespan up to 50,000 hours. Easy to install and widely compatible with trucks, tractors, and SUVs, this light bar is a powerful upgrade for both work and adventure. Now number 4, Auxbeam V Ultra Series 3-inch 108W. The Auxbeam V Ultra Series 3-inch LED pod lights are engineered to dominate the night. Packing 108W of advanced P8 LEDs and 2,835 SMD chips, they unleash an impressive 12,800 lumens, projecting visibility up to 906 feet at 1 lux. The precision-focused beam pattern minimizes glare while maximizing clarity, delivering confident illumination for high-speed trail runs or remote overland trips. With a deep spotlight cup and dual side shooters, these pods provide an expansive 270 degrees lighting spread, reaching up to 276 meters. The integrated amber daytime running lights not only enhance visibility, but also add a bold, premium look to your rig. Built for punishment, the rugged aluminum alloy housing, thick heat sinks, and military-grade breather system ensure optimal cooling and durability. IP68 waterproofing, anti-fog design, and protective covers make them reliable in rain, mud, or dust. Backed by a 24-month guarantee, this kit delivers performance, protection, and peace of mind. And our last choice is Naivo 12-inch LED light bar. The Naivo 12-inch ultra-bright LED light bar is engineered for drivers who demand maximum visibility and durability. Equipped with 100 high-quality SMD 3030 LED chips, it delivers an impressive 300 W output and 30,000 lumens of crisp 6,500K white light. This intense brightness easily cuts through darkness, enhancing safety and confidence during night drives or off-road adventures. Its Smart Spot and Flood combo design features a 15 degrees focus spotlight for long-distance projection and a 120 degrees flood beam for wide area coverage. The included 45 degrees adjustable bracket allows flexible beam positioning, ensuring optimal lighting angles for different terrains. Installation is straightforward with the supplied 10-foot wiring harness, complete with a 40A power relay and inline blade fuse for added electrical protection. Built with die-cast aluminum housing, IP68 waterproof sealing, a durable PC lens, and 10 rear cooling fans, it offers up to 50,000 hours of reliable performance. Compatible with 9 32V vehicles, it's perfect for trucks, ATVs, boats, and more. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.